Welcome back. Let's do question 412. Sketched below is a graph of h of x is equal to 1 over x plus p plus q. The asymptotes of h intersect at this point. Right, we're doing question 412. Right, in the previous question, we managed to find that p is equal to -1 and q is equal to 2. Right, here we're asked to calculate the coordinates of the x-intercept of h. So we know that for the x-intercept, y is equal to 0. Right, our equation is h of x is equal to 1 over x minus 1 plus 2. So where there's h of x, we put 0. So 0 is equal to 1 over x minus 1 plus 2. Alright, we can subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. We'll just transpose. Bring 2 this side, becomes -2 is equal to 1 over x minus 1, x minus 1. And then we multiply by x minus 1 on both sides of the equation to become -2 times x minus 1 is equal to 1. Because if you multiply this, if you say times x minus 1 here, then times x minus 1 there, okay, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, so we remain with 1 there. So let's distribute -2, -2x, -2 times -1, +2 is equal to 1. Then -2x, we subtract 2 from both sides of the equation, is equal to -1. -2x is equal to -1. Then we divide by -2 on both sides of the equation. So it becomes x is equal to 1 over 2. Right, we asked to find the coordinates of the x-intercept. So it means the coordinates of the x-intercept would be 1 over 2, that's the x-coordinate, and then the y-coordinate is 0. Remember, on the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So this is the answer here.